We have with us Kapil Dubey, who secured a rank of 10 in JEE 2009. Hi Kapil.
Hi Ritika.
How did you prepare for the JEE?
For my JEE preparation, I joined a coaching class for 2 years, and what I used to do there was, I was always done with my homework, and this is the most important thing to do. Whichever coaching you are, you should always prepare with all the homework, and the next important thing is, you should always mark the important question while solving the study material. Why is it important is, at the time of revision, you only revise the important question, as you do not have enough time to each and every question. And what by important questions, I mean the questions which are conceptual, which are not really formula based, and which you find hard to solve, or you are unable to solve without the help of a teacher.
I hear that you like physics a lot. So, what is your favorite topic in physics and why?
I like mechanics most because this is the most weighted topic in IITJ, and I also have a clear feel of that. I find this question nice, and it is also very important in other chapters like electromagnetism, fluid mechanics. That's why I like mechanics most.
Okay. And what about the other two subjects? How did you prepare for chemistry and maths?
As I was already good in physics, therefore I did not pay much attention to physics. I spent that time in mathematics and chemistry as they were relatively weaker.
Okay. So, are the test series really essential to crack JEE?
For students who are in some coaching, they already have enough preparation of doing tests in their coaching classes. But at the time of revision, when you are prepared with all the concepts and questions, you need to practice in the exactly the same pattern as the JEE paper. So if you do not have any other means to practice that, then you should join test series.
Okay. So, do you feel that students should practice problems from books other than what are prescribed by the teachers?
Well, in physics, I would prefer SC Verma while doing preparation, as its concepts are very good and the theory portion is really very good. But at the time of preparation, as the pattern of J is objective now, so you can practice a book called Dev Mukherjee from Bharti Public Equations. It has objective question and the level is, of J. Therefore, we should practice this.
And what strategy should a student adopt while doing the paper to get the maximum score?
While doing paper, first of all, a student must be confident and should not panic. And the other thing is, he should solve the paper in exactly the same pattern and exactly the same order as he has prepared it in the last 2 years. He should not change doing paper doing pattern in the last moment, even if the new pattern is better.
Okay. So, how do you feel that EduCell as an organization can help students?
The EduCell is a good concept, and the things like full mentoring and revision notes are very good. What I like about revision mentoring is that the confidence that it gives. What happens that in the revision time, just before 10 days of 10 days of J paper, when we are done with all the preparation, then still we do not have enough confidence that whether we would be able to recall all the concepts and formula at that paper time. So studying revision at that time is very essential.
So, how do you feel that mentoring can help students who are preparing?
Mentoring is a very good concept. I had a mentor. Actually, my big brother Bhayaji is already in IIT, so he was always there to guide me throughout my preparation. Whenever I got depressed or I couldn't make how to study, he was always there to help me. So everybody cannot have a brother or sister in IIT, so he can have a mentor. So that's why he can join IIT.
Is there any experience that you would like to share with the students?
Yeah, I would like to share some experiences because when I was preparing for JEE, many of my friends were also preparing with me. They had many problems, and the way they get rid of their problems, that I would like to share. Means many people have dilemma that whether they should complete their backlog first or they should continue with the running topic. My advice is continue with the running topic first, because otherwise your running topic will also become weaker, and that's why a large part of yours will become weaker. Therefore, you should complete the backlog only in vacations. If you have time, enough time, you have completed the running topic.
Thanks a lot. It was nice talking to you. I hope our users benefit from this.